Today on the Stay at Home Chef, we're making a delicious shrimp linguine recipe that's perfect for any occasion. The combination of the savory shrimp and the tangy lemon make this the perfect crowd-pleasing dish. Let's jump right into the recipe and get started. Here is what you will need. 1 pound of linguine pasta, 4 tablespoons of salted butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 pound of shrimp that has been peeled and deveined. I recommend salt and pepper to taste, so as much as you need there. Then I'm going to use a half a teaspoon of chili flakes. For the lemon part of this, I'm going to be using 1/4 a cup of lemon juice, a tablespoon of lemon zest, and a half of a lemon that has thinly been sliced. I use about 2 tablespoons of freshly grated parmesan, give or take, and then you're going to need some fresh chopped parsley. The first step we need to do is cook the linguine pasta. Cook your pasta in salted water according to the package directions. While the pasta is cooking, in a large skillet over medium heat, we're going to add in 4 tablespoons of salted butter with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once that has fully melted and it's a little bit bubbly, you're going to add in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Give that just a quick stir and let that saute for about a minute. It smells delicious. Then I'm going to add in my 1 pound of shrimp. The size of shrimp that you use is completely up to you. I love the bigger the better. What I'm going to do there is just simply season that up with a little bit of that salt and pepper to taste. One more addition to this dish is adding in that half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Go ahead and cook that shrimp for about 2 to 3 minutes. That really does depend on the size of shrimp that you have. We're not looking for full pink just yet. They're just about fully cooked, and I'm going to add in 1/4 a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Then I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of lemon zest and toss that all together and let that cook for about 1 more minute. Our pasta is cooked to that perfect al dente finish. I'm going to save about 2 cups of that pasta water. Go ahead and drain the pasta. Our shrimp is perfectly cooked, so I'm going to go ahead and turn off the heat and grate in 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. Then add in about 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley. Then I'm going to add in half of a lemon that I've thinly sliced and halved. Finally, add in the cooked pasta, and I'm going to add in about 1/2 cup of that pasta water. Turn that back on to just a simmer and go ahead and toss to coat. I like to let that simmer for just a moment towards the end to really let those flavors come together and enhance this dish. That's really all that it takes, though, to make the most delicious shrimp linguine pasta dish. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.